To remove and install the battery on your Sportsman X2, Touring, and 6x6 570, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure the vehicle is in park. Then, set the parking brake, turn the key to the off position, and remove. Next, unlatch the front rack latches and open the front rack. Then, remove the 2 battery hold-down strap screws and remove the strap from the vehicle. Next, disconnect the black negative battery cable fastener first to prevent arcing and set the cable aside. Then, disconnect the red positive cable fastener and set the cable aside. Next, carefully lift the battery out of the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris to prevent damage. Clean the battery cables and terminals with a stiff wire brush. Corrosion can be removed by using a solution of 1 cup water and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Rinse well with clean water and dry thoroughly. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the battery tray and reinstall the battery. Now, connect the positive cable first to prevent arcing and torque to specification. Then, reinstall the positive cable boot. Then, connect the negative cable and torque to specification. Apply dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to the terminals before reinstalling. Before proceeding, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Next, reinstall the battery bracket with fasteners and torque to specification. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery is properly connected. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.